Hey guys, Shan Whitaker, Master Electrician. I want to take a minute and talk to you about the 120% rule in solar. Over here we have an electrical panel. We have a meter and we have a main breaker that's 200 amp rated. And we have a bus bar that's 225 amp rated. In order to know how much solar we can backfeed onto the bus bar, we have to do the 120% calculation. To do that, we take the bus bar, which is 225 amps, and we times that by 120%, which equals 270 amps. And then we minus the main breaker, which is 200 amps, and that equals 70 amps of available backfeed. I broke it down for you over here. You can see that if we had a 200 amp bus bar and a 200 amp main breaker, we could backfeed up to 40 amps of solar. But if we have a 125 amp bus bar and a 100 amp main breaker, we can backfeed up to 50 amps of solar. So you can see that having the bus bar being rated higher than the main breaker is beneficial for solar. In order to use the 120% rule, we have to install our solar breaker in the furthest position away from the main breaker. This is because they are two different power sources, utility power and solar power, so they want them to disperse evenly across the bus bar. If we were to take our 70 amp solar breaker and install it next to the 200 amp utility main breaker, the loads downstream could potentially pull up to 200 amps from the utility plus 70 amps from the solar, so the bus bar would melt because it's only rated for 225 amps. That's the 120% rule in solar. Thanks for watching.